Hello guys, this is Naman Pathak and welcome to All in Digital Vidyapeeth. Guys, in this video, we will talk about the NPTEL MOOC course Patent Law for Engineers and Scientists Assignment 2 Solution. Guys, the last date of submission of this assignment is 3 Feb 2021. So without wasting our time, let's check out the solution of all these questions. So let's start now from the first question is Statement 1. The isolation of marine-based microorganism is patentable. Statement 2. An artistic work including cinematographic work is patentable. Correct option is D. Statement 1 is true, second is false. Second question. Statement 1. An invention for a new product which satisfies inventive step without industrial applicability is still patentable. Statement 2. Patentable invention includes improvements of already existing inventions. Correct option is B. Statement 1 and 2 both are false. Third question. Statement 1. A substance obtained by synergistic mixture of components is patentable. Statement 2. A topography of integrated circuit is patentable. Correct option is C. Statement 1 and 2 both are false. Fourth question. Which among the following shall not be considered as anticipated by a prior art? Correct option is C. Publication of the contents on YouTube prior to filling the applications. Guys, in this case, that is fourth question, there are two options, that is B and C, both are the same. So you can choose either B or C, both are the correct. Fifth question. Under section 2(1) first of the Patents Act 1970, a new invention means any invention or technology which has, correct option is B, it is obvious to the person skilled in the art. Our next question, that is sixth question. An invention is anticipated if, correct option is A, an invention claimed in a complete specification was communicated to the government to investigate the invention. Our seventh question is which section of the Patents Act deals with novelty? Correct option is A, section 3. Our eighth question is inventive step includes, correct option is A, B and C, that is technical advancement compared to the existing knowledge, economical significance compared to the existing knowledge, not obvious to a person unskilled in the art. Our second last question, that is ninth question is a patent application for an invention shall not be deemed to have been anticipated if, correct option is A, C and D. That is, said invention is disclosed to public without the consent of the true and first inventor. C. Said inventor is commercially worked in India before the priority date of the claim of the invention. And said invention is communicated to the government by any person authorized by the government. And the last one is, that is 10th question, which among the following inventions are not patentable under section 3 of the Patents Act? Correct option is A and B. A magician performing a trick and an e-commerce platform involving money transactions. Hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Digital Vidyapeeth. Thank you guys. Take care.